Welcome to English Learners Zone. Today's conversation is a heartwarming one between a father and son as they team up to build a fun school project at home. Get ready for creativity, teamwork, and a little bit of mess. Let's get started.
Dad, can you help me with my school project?
Sure, Kevin. What is your assignment?
We have to construct a building using any materials around the house.
What were you thinking about building?
I want to build a skyscraper.
That should be fun. Any ideas about the materials?
I'm not sure. I was thinking about using cardboard boxes.
That's a great idea. We have a lot of old boxes. I saved them after we moved here.
Where are they?
They're in the garage. Help me bring them into the house.
Okay, where should we put them?
Let's put them in the living room. It's the biggest room in the house. There's plenty of space to make a mess.
Mom isn't going to be happy with all the mess.
That's okay. She can help us too.
Okay, what should I do first?
Why don't you design the building, and then we can create it?
That's a good plan. Thanks for your help, Dad.
It's my pleasure. I'm an architect. Building is my specialty.
Now quiz time. What is Kevin's school project? What materials does he want to use? Where are they going to work on the school project? Why is building Kevin's dad's specialty? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this conversation and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Learners Zone. Comment below if you want more family-based or daily routine conversations. And remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next video.